Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a document on Canva platform. So first of all, let me go here and type canva.com, and if you want to create a document, then you can simply go here to create a new document. And after that, now here you can see in Canva editing mode, you can type anything. For example, enable website design, and then after that you can click on plus button to add new headings, as well as you can add the body text. You can add anything that you want, and you can add more and more headings, as well as you can add some scrollable design. You can also add tables, sheets, dividers, and to add multiple pages you can add page break. You can also add checklist, as well as bullet list, numbered list, and you can add multiple columns in your documents. After that, if you want to export your documents, then you can go on share button. So you can directly share by using this link. Scroll down to download these documents in different formats. So you can download these documents in PDF as well as docs. After that, click here, and you can also check the paper size. Then click your download button. So document is downloading. You can access these documents in your laptop.